So let's look at lung sounds on the handheld device. Right now, they're set at normal sounds at a volume of 5. So right now your students could put their stethoscope on the mannequin and hear regular sounds. If you want them to be able to hear them, say count respiration rates, without using their stethoscope, you need to raise the volume. For any of the vital signs, raising the volume is as simple as this. Use your arrow keys to scroll across. And then simply use the plus and minus sign at the bottom of the screen with these buttons. And to increase volume, press your plus sign, and you can see the volume going up there. Now I can hear him breathing from here. And then of course if you want them to practice with their stethoscopes, you would lower the volume by using the minus sign. And 5 is a pretty good volume for stethoscope use. Okay, let's talk about the nature of the sounds. While we've got the lungs highlighted, press OK, and you get a list. Scroll down and choose coarse crackles, press OK, and now when your student puts their stethoscope on the mannequin, you can see in the default menu now it says lung crackles. They shall hear crackles. And let's say you want to change the respiration rate. Scroll down to rate, use your arrows, your plus and minus sign to raise the rate to whatever you want, say 34 right now. One more thing, let's say we want him to have decreased air entry in one of his lobes. Scroll up to lungs using your scroll pad. Click OK. And you get that same menu we had before where we chose coarse crackles. But you also see on the right hand side volume levels for each particular side of the lung fields. Let's pretend he has decreased air entry to his left lobes. Scroll over to there, put a minus sign. You can see the value going down. So now he's got a value of 2 for the volume on the left and a volume of 5 on the right. He now has decreased left air entry. To get back to the main menu, you just press OK. And now you can see all your settings. You can see that your respiration rate is 19. Again, if we want to raise that up, we just hit the plus sign, press OK, and it's set to 29. We can see that we have crackles, a volume of 2 on the left and a volume of 5 on the right. And that concludes an overview of simple lung sounds on the Vital Sims mannequin.